Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we showcase how we made the signage for Spanish accommodation.
Welcome at as an arts gallery, where we create a sense of beauty, we lead others follow. Dealers in printing, 3D signage, banners, stickers, car wrapping, tint installation, home decors, wallpaper, wall murals, wall panels installation, t-shirt, caps, mugs, banners, printing, and much more. What's an arts gallery 254? Welcome at an arts gallery, where we create a sense of beauty, we lead others follow. What's an arts gallery 254? What's an arts gallery 254? Oh 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 oh. Welcome at an arts gallery, where we create a sense of beauty, we lead, others follow. Dealers in branding, 3D signage, banners, stickers, car wrapping, tint installation, home decors, wallpaper, wall murals, wall panels installation, t-shirt, caps, mugs, banners, printing, and much more. Joe's an arts gallery 254. Welcome at an arts gallery, where we create a sense of beauty, we lead others follow. An arts gallery 254. An arts gallery 254. Welcome at an arts gallery.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and book with us for any kind of advertisement, be it branding, be it 3D signage. You're welcome.